In this lecture, you will learn why long tail keywords bring in better conversions and lower bounce rate. In general perspective, a keyword is nothing but a word which has got a great significance, right? But let's talk from a website owner's perspective. What does keyword mean? It's just a phrase for which you would like to rank number 1 on Google. Yes, everyone wants to rank number 1. That's why everyone cannot rank number 1. It's pretty logical, right? That's where SEO, that is search engine optimization, comes into play. That's where this course excels. Actually, we haven't seen much about what is a keyword. So let's see that from a different perspective now. A keyword doesn't need to be a single word. For example, when a user searches for WordPress themes, he may be expecting a search engine to display various perspectives of WordPress themes, such as what is a WordPress theme, from where he can download it, how he can install it or upload it to his website, or how to design WordPress themes. So, there are multiple things that are covered in this broad keyword WordPress themes. The shorter the keyword, the range will be broader. In other words, shorter keywords are searched tens or 100,000 times per month in Google. Let's move into the next example. WordPress themes for blog. This is somewhat lengthy or long tail keyword, but too specific or narrow in terms of meaning, because this lengthy keyword tells a search engine that the user needs WordPress themes for blog and not for a portfolio site or some news website or review website or anything like that. Now, let's move into a very long tail or very specific keywords. Free responsive WordPress themes for blog. This is too specific or very narrow in terms of targeting the audience. Can you understand the concept here? When you search for WordPress themes, you will get a lot of unrelated results compared to when you search for free responsive WordPress themes for blog. Now, you should have got a question whether you need to target for broad or long tail keywords on your website. Most SEO experts recommend targeting long tail keywords only, and I am no exception. I do recommend the same. Let's assume this scenario: a user who needs ready made WordPress themes for his blog searches for WordPress themes on Google. On the other hand, you write about how to design WordPress themes. In such case, if the user searches for just WordPress themes, and if your website appears in the first search result, then the user may come to your website, but he will bounce back immediately. Then he will start to fine tune his search keyword to a long tail keyword, because he needs free responsive WordPress themes for blog to download and use it on his website, whereas you're teaching how to design such themes. What you're providing on your website is a long but useful process, but he needs a ready-made and an instant solution. For the term WordPress themes, some XYZ website may appear on the 10th search result, whereas when the user searches for free responsive WordPress themes for blog, that particular XYZ website may come to the first search result. And when the search user enters this XYZ website, he would get what he wanted. So the bounce rate will be low, and the time spent by the user on this XYZ website will be high. He may get a lot of choices, so he may look into multiple themes on the site and download the one which he likes at last. It's a win win situation for both the search user and the XYZ website's owner. This is the reason why you should target long tail or very specific keywords on your website to get the most converting organic traffic. Have you ever wondered how can a newer website outrank an established website? Let's see that in the next lecture.